Other tools and services to consider. MedApps. MedApps is a company that specializes in advanced automation and operational efficiency through the development of big data and artificial intelligence. MedApps will guide you through the science of video marketing. With MedApps Effective Analytics, you'll see how your video ad performs. It includes TV analysis and statistical information of your most popular videos. You'll visualize the word-of-mouth data on social media after video ad distribution. MedApps offers a flexible, customized service with additional tools if necessary. Seismic. Seismic offers you a complete video advertising package. You'll get access to unique formats, maintain efficiency with video workflows, and get the gold standard of verification and viewability. Some benefits of Seismic are its tools and support, help engaging your customers, track all your video campaign data in a single easy-to-use reporting hub, track all your video engagement metrics you need to improve your results, and verify all your data in the ad server to prevent fraudulent activity. Seismic brings freedom of choice to end-to-end advertising. You'll also get interactive everywhere and go outstream. This is a really unique and flexible tool you can take advantage of. Idomoo. Idomoo will just make your customers fall in love with your brand. Idomoo helps brands deliver on the promise of customer personalization and delivers the most effective customer engagement for your brand because they combine both of the most powerful technologies. Idomoo will help you to engage by inspiring customers, connect by making them feel personal, satisfy by increasing loyalty, and impact with fuel ROI. All this is done by creating a personalized video cloud that is personalized, dynamic in real time, measurable, scalable, and multi-channel by simply using coupons, promotions, acquisition, social media, loyalty, and NPS plus satisfaction. iView. iView is a video marketing technology company. iView easily leverages brand, product, and consumer data to create and deliver one-to-one video ads to every consumer and ultimately drive sales. Video IQ provides an elemental knowledge of video variables that powers a results-driven decision engine capable of making billions of decisions each day and delivering the most relevant message to every consumer across television, desktop, mobile, and Facebook. Sightly. Sightly provides businesses with a way to create localized, programmatic video ads, which are personalized and based on consumers. The company's video ad serving platform, Target View, provides users with the ability to select detailed viewer demographics and personas and run A/B testing. Using Sightly's DIY toolset, businesses can generate short promotional videos that include maps, addresses, contact details, and offers. Ad campaigns are displayed on networks like YouTube and Google, and they're always viewable on mobile devices. GoAnimate. The GoAnimate video platform is supported by a global team that is passionate about helping you express yourself. GoAnimate's mission is to enable businesses, schools, and individuals to make videos quickly and easily. You'll get high-end results without the headaches. With this powerful tool, you'll simply add a character, swap a background, or start a scene just by dragging and dropping. The lip sync is automatic. You can engage using industries and occupations with your own character. An animated video will definitely give you a different engagement than normal videos. Shaker. Shaker enables you to make great videos for your business by signing up for free. This is how you do it. Choose from hundreds of video designs by top motion graphic artists from around the world to make your own professional-looking video in minutes. Shaker gives you the ability to create stunning professional-looking videos that are sure to wow your viewers. You'll get a video creator for every use you need, so you can make online video ads, digital signage videos, product videos, and videos for social media. V-Roll. V-Roll simplifies the creation and targeting of Facebook and YouTube video ads. With V-Roll, you can create Facebook and YouTube video ads in minutes, get access to targeted YouTube videos to advertise on, and get a list of keywords for your ads. How? With hyper-targeted traffic from the most coveted sources online. Create a gorgeous video ad once, then use and reuse it at will. You can manage all your video ads in one place, publish them in all the right places, and get free support and training from experienced video advertising pros on call. Viewbix. Viewbix enhanced videos can be used across all devices in paid, owned, or earned media channels. Viewbix Studio is simple, intuitive, and requires no coding experience. This enables clients to enhance videos and publish them on any platform for any device in just minutes. Simply, the Vubix vSense platform will convert your video advertising into sales by using integrated calls to action, cross-platform distribution, and actionable analytics. If you need facts, here's one. Vubix video ad units have average engagement rates of over 25%, meaning 1 in 4 viewers takes measurable action. Just request a demo. Brainient. Brainient empowers media owners, agencies, and brands with data-driven creative technology for building interactive ads across videos, mobiles, displays, and connected TVs. They have thousands of campaigns per year for hundreds of customers in over 20 countries. Create an interactive video, mobile, or display-rich media ad using a single platform and add your own code if you want. It will be supported by CSS and JavaScript, so you can customize time, location, weather, device, or audience segments and get real-time reporting.